Welcome to this edition of CEO Insider TV. I'm Mark Dresner, and my guest today is Mr. Steve Kern, CEO of Global Gaming Network Incorporated, a public company trading on the over-the-counter market under the ticker symbol GBGM. Welcome to our show, Mr. Kern.
Thank you, Mark, for inviting me.
Please start us off with an overview of Global Gaming Network.
Global Gaming Network is developing and distributing digital entertainment, sports information for online and mobile platforms. We acquired SportsAlert.com last year, and that is the leading independent provider of sports data to mobile telephones, and one of the pioneers and a first mover in this field. It's a free advertiser-supported text message information service providing real-time sports scores and updates to our subscribers' mobile phones. We have plans to expand our present operations in 2012 in two areas, Mark. One, we plan to offer companies a method of distributing text messages at a cost-effective and efficient manner to undercut the competition, which is the telcos, Verizon, AT&T, who now charge prohibitively expensive fees. Two, we're about to enter into an arrangement with a leading online gaming operation with regard to a co-revenue sharing arrangement whereby Sports Alert would provide its Canadian subscribers via a link on our text messages access to the website.
Steve, tell us about your products.
Our SportsAlert.com service, which is already one of the leading providers of sports data to mobile telephones, currently has about 75,000 subscribers and is growing at the rate of approximately 1,000 new subscribers per week. It sends out in excess of 3 million individual text messages on a monthly basis. Presently, our sports information services has subscribers in the United States and Canada only, though we have plans to expand our service to European and Latin American countries in 2012. Presently, we have a co-marketing arrangement with 4Info. This is a leading provider of mobile alerts, wherein 4Info sells on an exclusive basis all of our advertising inventory. We anticipate a major increase in revenues from this arrangement in 2012 as the economic environment continues to improve and mobile advertising becomes an integral part of a company's overall advertising budget.
Well, who's your target market?
The SMS, better known as text messaging advertising sector, has been the focus of our operations because this form of advertising is the most effective vehicle for reaching a highly receptive and responsive audience, particularly the young male demographic, which is our primary subscriber group, with its insatiable demand for information, statistic, updates, etc., through the use of targeted, unobtrusive, and actionable advertising. This is the group key advertisers are looking to reach, and we provide that via our SMS system.
Well, what's your overall business strategy?
Well, if revenues from advertising on our Sports Alert service significantly increase in 2012, we will consider expanding its sales opportunities. We'll do an evaluation of our co-marketing arrangement with 4Info and possibly have our own sales personnel to handle all of our advertising inventory. As well, we will seek to partner with primarily sports-related websites that desire to connect with their mobile audiences and deliver free advertising-supported SMS. As well, we anticipate expanding our services to provide our subscribers with scores and stats on additional major sports. We now provide Major League Baseball, National Hockey League, pro and college football, and basketball. We will be expanding into soccer, tennis, golf, NASCAR, and possibly a fantasy league component. In addition, as we own in excess of 35 domain names, primarily in English, but also in French, Spanish, and German, we anticipate expansion of our Sports Alert services in Europe and Latin America in 2012.
Well, what else are you doing to ensure your company will grow and generate profits?
Well, generally short code delivery, which is controlled by the various telcos, is used by about almost 100% of all text messages. Has placed the telcos in the position of controlling the gateway to delivering text messages to mobile phones in the U.S. So if a company wants to operate an SMS-based delivery system, it is now at the mercy of the telcos. We have a trademark protection with respect to our proprietary data collection SMS delivery system. Our system uses both short code and modem utilization, which we control. So, the modem system utilized by our Sports Alert service to distribute nearly half of our messages to our subscribers costs a heck of a lot less than the short code method. We really believe there's a place in the marketplace to offer companies a method of distributing SMS at a cost-effective and efficient manner to undercut the competition and create a substantial revenue-generating division of our company.
Well, Steve, tell us a little bit about the management of the company.
I've been an entrepreneur, executive, and consultant for the past 30 years. I was the CFO for the Atlantic Entertainment Group, which was really one of the largest and leading independent motion picture companies in the U.S. in the 80s. In the 90s, I founded a company called Internet Capital Corp., which is an interactive technology company, emphasizing the development, operation, and marketing of proprietary websites. As well, I've now been involved with several public companies in various capacities, from consulting to capital raising, and now, of course, with Global Gaming as president. Chris Palancar is the founder and now as Chief Technology Officer of SportsAlert.com, has been involved with wireless technology companies for the past 15 years. In 2006, he founded SportsAlert.net, which is now SportsAlert.com, utilizing a proprietary system to personally develop and send out notifications to cell phones.
Well, Steve, how do you distinguish yourselves from your competition?
Well, Mark, our success is partly dependent upon our ability to protect and leverage the value of our ongoing internet technologies, our software, our content, copyrights, trademarks, domains, and other intellectual properties that we own and operate. We have received trademark registration status for our Sports Alert name, our website, and our mobile software system. Now, in addition, we control in excess of 35 domain names, primarily in English, but also in French, Spanish, and German. And we anticipate expanding our Sports Alert service into countries in Europe and Latin America.
Any new initiatives or business ventures?
Well, as mentioned previously, we are anticipating going into the SMS delivery, and we're also about to formalize arrangement with an online gaming operation whereby in Canada, where it's legal, we will be providing our subscribers access to via the cell phone to their service on their website. Those are two very exciting things that we have in the offing.
Steve, are there any last thoughts you'd like to leave with our viewers?
Absolutely. We believe that our company is really at the forefront of the digital revolution and in an excellent position to take full advantage of this with our investment in the development and distribution of digital entertainment and sports information for online and mobile platforms. We made a great acquisition with the Sports Alert service, anticipating significantly expanding our operation in 2012 in the U.S. and Canada, and possibly entering European and Latin American markets. As well, with plans in 2012 to enter into the SMS distribution business in the U.S. and a co-venture in Canada with an online gaming operation, we sincerely believe that we are poised to bring significant and increased value to our company and our shareholders.
Well, I'd like to thank Mr. Steve Kern, CEO of Global Gaming Network, for being our guest today on CEOinsiderTV.com. If you'd like more information about Global Gaming Network, you can visit the company's website at www.sportsalert.com. And you can get more CEO interviews for free at www.CEOinsiderTV.com. I'm Mark Dresner, and thanks for watching this episode of CEO Insider TV.